This right here is a Greggs chicken pastry. And trust me when I say this, when you visit the UK, because I think Greggs is only in the UK, when you visit UK, you have to try one of these, and trust me, take my word for it, you will not regret. And when you do, come back and comment on this channel or this video. Come back and comment on this video, seriously. Right, anyways, check this out. All right. What I'm saying is, right, 100%. As you see inside, right, it's like cream, obviously the white cream and stuff, but it like oozes out. Well, this is heaven. Got chicken, like chunky chicken bites in there. But look at that. Can you see that? That is heaven right there. So yeah, defo come to UK and try a chicken bake out. Or if you're here, go to Greggs and try one of these out. You won't be disappointed. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Sachthemotive. Over and out.